Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1820 Union Street, unit number 105. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the highly desirable Cow Hollow neighborhood, and here we are just south of Marina District, near Russian Hill and Pacific Heights. Excellent walk score, 99 on the walk score, and we are located right on Union, which is generally bustling and just a great place for lunch and brunch and boutique shopping. There's some gyms around, some bars, just a really fun area. Okay, here we are filming on a Sunday, absolutely beautiful day. This is a top floor unit. It's located in this building right here. And we're going to give a full tour here. By the way, normally this gate is closed, so you'll have a key to this gate. I had opened it just for the filming, but we're going to walk down this corridor here. Up these stairs. There's a small lobby or a little bit of a landing at the top of the stairs, kind of cute, a little quaint. Looks like there's about 3 or 4 units in the building. Here we are at unit 105. You're going to notice a beautiful hardwood floor steps. Gorgeous skylight at the top. This apartment is immaculate. It's very clean, very beautiful. Okay, let's just take a sweep around. Perfect. Okay, let's start in the front. First, we have a hall closet right here. Actually, this is quite deep. There's a hanging bar on the left and right. So that's quite nice. And there is a little bit of a shelving unit right there. And this is the front-facing living room. This is very large, so you totally put a dining room table and a sofa and a television. And there is no door on this, so this would be perfect for a living room. Beautiful views, looking over Pacific Heights right there, and of course on Union Street. I think I have the dimensions on the website, but I'm pretty sure this room is about 14 feet long to the end of the bay window right there. Okay, here is bedroom number 1. It does have a door. Now that IKEA wardrobe can be moved around, so you can put it anywhere you want, depending upon your furniture placement. And of course, since it being IKEA, this is configurable. You can add drawers or take away the hanging bar or whatever. Okay, so that was bedroom number 1. Now there is a super small bedroom here, but it does have a closet and 2 big double hung windows, so it totally could be used as a bedroom and a door, of course. Nice closet. Okay, and here is the 3rd bedroom. Really beautiful room. By the way, that door right there does not go anywhere. That's sealed shut, just to let you know. Once again, the wardrobe is movable, and then you have some built-ins at the end there. Of Of course, you could use this as a dining room if you didn't need it as a bedroom. Okay, fantastic. There is one restroom in the home. It has oh, by the way, beautiful track lighting. This would be perfect for displaying some of your art. And a clawfoot tub, single sink. And this has a tub shower combination, of course. Okay, and right next door is the beautiful kitchen, solid surface countertops, gas range, single undermount sink, microwave, beautiful cabinetry, tall ceilings, and look at this, pantry area. So often kitchens don't include pantries, so I just love this. And additional pantry storage area. Nice. Okay, there is a back deck laundry room located off of this one. And you could possibly use this little counter here for a little breakfast room. And you could actually look out over the view. It is quite beautiful. We'll step outside in just one second. There's a private washer dryer. And a little pass-through window to the kitchen. Let's take a look on the back porch. Bit of a view of the bay. It's hard to see in the film, but definitely it's easier to see in person. So this is a very quiet, very tranquil backyard area. Just very pleasant to look down over. And there's room for a chair or two on this back little porch. Maybe even a small bistro table that you keep folded up inside the laundry room. Bring it out on nice days. That way it stays nice and clean. Okay, let's take one last look at the home. Bedroom. There's the central heater. Bedroom. Closet. Storage. Bedroom. And living room. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.